Lucio Caslang. And it's the fourth quarter of the fourth quarter. And I expected na I would get 100! Yeah!
100?
My favorite teacher. You guys know that's my favorite teacher of all because that's the only English teacher we had in the whole year. Yeah. That's why our favorite teacher in English is Miss Mayores. No other than that. Thank you. Sa kanya daw pencil na nakalagay dito. Paano naging ganyan?
Sure ko yan, 12!
Alin? Pen?
Ano?
Alayo-layo mo eh.
Ha?
Nandito ka nandito.
Eh malamang may space kinausog. Alin ang
Gago, yung teacher mo.
Hindi yan yung chair ko.
Ano ba, ayos nga?
May star sa kukuha, hindi ka mo dyan.
Asan mo? Wala mo star.
Ayun, sa table.
Ayun, nasa dito eh.
Basta mo, Shakes. Andito yung star.
Oh, nandito yung star.
Ano? Andito yung star. Andito yung star. Nasa mo. Where?
Oh, batalissimo.
Ano to? Huwag mo sa upuan ni Lebron!
Oh, ayaw nga no. Basta si Kate, batalissimo.
College.
Ako pa ng pencil eh. Hindi naman sa kanya pencil.
What's
Ano
your
to?
score in TLE? 50, 50, 50.
35.
Hindi kasi ganyan. Dapat 50, tas yung pa...
Oh.
What's your score in TLE?
50.
Ako din. What's your score in TLE? 50. Ako din, 50.
Tapos mamaya papakita daw yung score.
What's your score in TLE?
Okay, paano mo malaman yung score?
This is the interview of Post-English. Ano? Post-English. Ayos.
Let me. It is so easy.
How easy?
100.
Frequency. How's the English exam?
Amo.
Medyo na blanco ako sa unang page. Hindi ko maalala.
Nagugulan ako kaya kumukuha
Naalala ko din pagkasunod-sunod. Sir, how's the feeling of handling us?
Pahingi ulit ako.
Masaya, nakapagod, ubos energy.
Wait lang ako mo. Hey bro, pakuha. Pahingi ako isa. Ito, isa lang. Ano?
Yes! Let's go, exams. Dumudugo na ata notes ko. Fuck that shit, man. Fuck that shit. Ain't no way I...
Fucking guys, this shit no more. Fuck this shit. This shit is crazy retarded. I swear to fucking God. Everyone that participates in the reviewing activities, nerds. Yeah.
Kill yourself, bro. Kill yourself. If I had a wish, I wish I never after out.
Puno pa to kanina. What happened?
Time forever.
Ayoko na! Tangin na mo! Wisit!
All for God. All...
What's your inspo?
Pagpalain mo kami.
Ilalagay ko, dami-daming elven, ilalagay ko doon, mag-i-remind mo.
Lower boundary lang talaga. Wag mo nang i-overthink.
Alin dyan?
Di lang ka ng 1, 2, 3. Math exam.
I'm fine.
Paano ilalagay yun?
Yung lower boundary talaga.
Lower boundary.
Ay, yung pinaka...
Lower boundary.
Yung KN over... Saan ko hanapin yung N? Yung kung ilang class? Paano ko? Ay, ganun ko.
good morning in every parent at all. My name is Aren Ocasla, the representative, the role model of Tendi. So, I'm here to ask permission to and
Looking forward bukas.
mag-fail sa Filipino.
Bukas no, sa swimming!
Today and tomorrow.
Sa swimming!
Sa swimming. Ano bukas? Ay, manunod daw para sa Filipino.
Wow!
Ano meron sa Filipino?
Today!
Oh, take two. Cut.
To pa nga lang, kidipol na, lunod na.
Tawa kay Jaime.
Pusa.
Sana ba? Bago yung fish ko, save class, batang malaban. This is what I am. Ang ina naman.
I love Tristan Panaligan Diaz.
I hear welcome yung pinaka-excited sa party.
Ha?
Sa swimming.
Hindi, natataiyak. Hi guys, last day of exam. Last day na talaga.
Wait. The feeling that it's the last day of school.
It's sad kasi hindi ako pinayagan mag-stay ng long.
What is the feeling of feeling this?
Ano? Ay! Nakapag... Ha? Porket bagong iPhone lang nagpapahana siya.
I'm gonna miss handling Tendi. I'm gonna miss shouting at them. Mamimiss ko awayan sa Lance. Mamimiss ko awayan yung buong Tendi. Mamimiss ko, basta mamimiss ko kayo!
Namimiss ko yung weekend be friends ko.
Feeling that it's the last day of school.
It is at the same time it is unfortunate and
Fuck
happy.
yeah!
Yeah, thank you.
Hi, B.
Thank you, Jeremy.
Guys, pasay.
So this is the vlog of the Alem's Tendi. My name is Alencio Casla, the role model of Tendi, Ate and Kuya, to be specific.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're here in the pool of the kiddie pool party. Swimming pool, kiddie pool party.
I better